Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to lock and unlock formulas in Microsoft Excel. So how to lock and unlock formulas in Microsoft Excel? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. The lock function serves to protect the formula from accidental changes, and the formula cannot be edited by other users. Here we can see the formula that I created. It can still be seen. To lock it, tap all Excel cells. By tapping on the upper left side of the cell, move the cursor and tap right. Drag the cursor down and select Format Cell. And the Format Cell table menu will appear. Select and tap Protection. In the Lock It section, uncheck. In the Hidden section, check. And tap OK. Next, to lock the formula that has been created, tap on the cell that has the formula. Enter the review. Then tap the Lock Protected menu. And the Lock menu will appear. Here we will be asked to create a password. Enter the password. And don't forget, in the section, select Locked Cells, and in the Select Unlock section, check it, so that the menu appears in the review. And tap OK. Here we are asked to enter the password that was created earlier. We can see here for the formula that we created earlier, it can no longer be seen. And what if we want to restore the formula so that it can be seen? The method is tap on the cell section that has the formula. Enter the review. Then tap the Unlock Protected menu. Here we are asked to enter the password that was created earlier. And tap OK. We can see in the cell that was locked earlier, the formula has now been restored and can be seen. This feature is very useful when you are working with documents that will be shared with many people, ensuring that the calculations or formulas that are already there are accurate. So that's it. Tutorial: how to lock and unlock formulas in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.